2018 Jaguar E-Pace, the crossover that thinks it's an F-Type. The new compact Jaguar crossover is very much gasoline-fueled. Confusion over the name clearly fooled a few launch attendees though. Pre-drive discussion focused on whether it would have sufficient battery endurance to get us the 60 miles to lunch in Brighton, an iconic seaside resort on England's southern coast. The powertrain is more closely related, being based on Jaguar Land Rover's 2.0-liter Ingenium turbocharged gasoline engine and driving all four wheels through a 9-speed automatic transmission. There are two power options, 246 horsepower for the standard car and 296 horsepower for the R-Dynamic models. Also used on the Evoque, the Active Driveline system on R-Dynamic models is based around GKN's Twinster rear axle unit, with full torque vectoring across the rear axle when engaged.